So everyone, good evening. Not sure if you can quite see that. I'd say it is about 10 o'clock. We have literally just been up, sat down our stream earlier. We could hear some bangs. Now we've just went in to try watch our feed the same pet, and there's a fireworks show going on somewhere over by Ponente Beachfront or Town Hall. You can hear I think you can hear a bit of music as well, so it does sound like it is a big party down there. So I ain't too sure whether this is to sort of like mark the end of summer. I did read something that there will be a lot of celebrations over the next few weeks. You can hear some voices down there. So what I have read on Facebook is over the next few weeks, next few months, there's going to be tons of celebrations here in Benidorm. Basically just celebrating the end of summer, celebrating the comeback of fiestas. One bit that I did read, I think it was the mayor of Benidorm himself that said this. He basically said, like, we are doing all this to show Benidorm's back. Benidorm's still fighting. Benidorm's better than ever. And I mean, if you've never seen a Benidorm fireworks show, like, get your ass over here and see one. Like, a Benidorm fireworks show, I reckon they spent about €5 million just setting it up. Like, they're big fireworks shows. As you can probably hear this one, like, it's been going for ages. I mean, there's the big New Year's Eve one down on front, that's huge. You got the Christmas ones, they're huge. Like, almost every fireworks show Benidorm does, they're just like, sod it, it's a party. We're Benidorm, the city that never sleeps. And this is what I love about Benidorm. Yes, we may have been pretty affected by COVID, but just seeing this, it is sort of saying we're back. We're still fighting. Like, screw COVID, pretty much. I know many of you will probably moan at me for saying that, but honestly, I don't care. I'm not sure if that's coming from the Castel or Ponente Beach or Town Hall or what. Somewhere in town most likely. But I mean, the displays over here for fireworks shows, they're just pure brilliant, guys. You can't beat them. We did hear there was going to be a fireworks show some point this week. We weren't really too sure when it was, however, but I mean, I've just been sat chilling at fireworks, looked at the window and there's lights in the sky. You got all the beautiful reds, the blues, the golds. I mean, imagine being in the Tempo building right now, because it sort of looks as if it's near the Tempo building. If you were in that building now, you would have a brilliant view. I mean, honest to God, that's lighting up all the Benidorm. I mean, we've got a kind of good view for it, because we can pretty much see most of it from our balcony, guys. I even reckon not any other fireworks shows, if we just stand here on our balcony, we'll probably see most of it. We done that last New Year's Eve. Just stood on balcony watching all the hotels having their fireworks shows, even though they weren't allowed to. This could probably go on for quite a while as well. As I was saying, many of the fireworks shows here are huge. Like, some take 2 hours. Some take even longer. I bet if you could have got down there, it would have been busy, guys. I bet you many of the Benidorm YouTubers, however, Tony Scott, Lucy Young, etc., maybe even little old Deborah Benidorm, they'll be down there filming it. Here I am, stood on my balcony filming it. I mean, that is just glorious, guys. I know it sounds weird, but I really love fireworks now. As a kid, I did used to be scared of like the big bangs and all that. But now, as I'm grown up, I just love all the colours, the patterns they do in the sky, how they're made. A few years back, we bought some fireworks and they were only like little sort of triangle things, but when you lit the fuse, it shot up in the sky, spinning round in patterns. They were quite good, but not as good as these guys. I mean, honest, they've probably been setting all this up for mess the weekend now. It's a Sunday evening, you get in all the reds, the yellows. I mean, it's just beautiful. I don't think you'll want to really like fly into Benidorm on a plane and see them. As cool as it would be, I imagine it'll be hella scary as well, guys. I've been filming this for 8 minutes now, but I reckon it's probably gone on longer. I reckon what Mum and Dad heard earlier on the live stream was probably just a basic sort of test. And now this is the real thing. It's amazing as well, because I reckon it is actually done Poniente, but I can hear like the voices coming from the stage. So I reckon they have got like some big speakers down there. All I can say, guys, is Benidorm's back. before I forget, guys, anyone with epilepsy or anything like that, maybe don't watch this video. So, then the constant flashes, that is basically like firecrackers going off. They get at least about 2,000, 3,000 firecrackers, strap them all together, launch them, and it vibrates the ground. They get like big boxes of like your big rockets, launch them off all at once, and no joke, that takes me back to when I was on HMS Bulwark and I got to watch him like firing the actual machine gun on back of the boat. Now, the thing is, I can still hear music, so I'm kinda like, well, do I finish the video and go back inside, or do I stay out here and keep filming? Because you can guarantee, soon as I go back inside, put every the same pet on, sit down, put my phone on charge, they'll start back up again, won't they? So guys, if you do know what that was about, or if you think you've seen a fireworks show better than the one I've just showed you, drop a comment down below, guys. Hopefully November they have some fireworks shows that I can watch from the balcony with my beautiful girlfriend Demi, aka Father Riz on YouTube, guys. So just show you, like, this is pretty much a normal night in Benidorm, normal Sunday night. Nothing really special happening, you can just see it's pretty quiet down this sort of end, compared to what I imagine it's gonna be like downtown, down sort of Poniente end. Some good news is Gay Pride will be coming up in the week. Very soon, that. So, probably more fireworks shows. Huge parade. Huge parties as well. It's a beautiful night here in Benidorm. It was raining quite a bit this morning, but it has cooled the air down a lot. The sun came back up round afternoon, and to top the day off, we've just had a beautiful fireworks show. Can't beat it, can you, guys? Now, I will love and leave you. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Adios.